Can you see yourself in the 2024 Ram 2500? Take the big jobs in stride in the Ram 2500. Its blend of heavy-duty capability, passenger comfort, and connected technology will see you through. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: bedliner, 8-cylinder engine, keyless start, satellite radio, backup camera, chrome wheels, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT. Comfortable and convenient on the inside, tough as nails on the outside. The Ram 2500.